y'all feeling? I feel like it's been a minute. I was trying not to record because I burnt my forehead, y'all. That's exactly what happened. That's why y'all ain't seen me. I'm lying, y'all. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey. Hey, girl. Hey, boy. How you doing? How you feeling? Okay, guys. So today we are talking about another 360 wig from Outre. This is a human hair blend wig, and I'm really excited about her. I think she's gorgeous. I think she is really, really pretty. I'm going to show y'all how I put this wig on, and then I'm going to wrap it up with my final thoughts. But before we get started, give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into it. Installing this wig. She's so beautiful. This is everything that I dreamed of and more. I feel like I spoke this wig up. Like, I literally spoke this wig up in my last review. Yes! I didn't know if I wanted to do the side or the middle, but let's go ahead and talk about this wig. So this wig was sent over by Wigtypes. Thank you guys so much for sending over this beauty. This wig is from Outre, and I have the style Veloria, and I have the color Chocolate Swirl. This wig does come in a lot of other pretty colors. Comes in your red velvets, your ginger brown, honey brown. It's a really pretty wig. You guys okay? Hey, how y'all doing? I know it's been a while. Let me go ahead and give you guys some specs. So this wig is a 100% human hair blend. So you're gonna get a little bit of human hair fibers mixed with a little bit of synthetic hair. This is a 13x6 lace frontal, so you can part her anywhere you like. I did show you guys that when I was installing it. I'm not gonna move this wig because she's put in position and I don't feel like moving her no more. We ain't gonna do that, okay? No, I changed my mind. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the middle. She's cute in the middle too, y'all. She's real cute in the middle. Y'all let me know if y'all like the middle or the side better, but she's cute. She's cute in the middle. Okay, back to the video. It's a hand-tied lace frontal. So these knots are really, really thin. I do like that. It's a transparent HD lace. You're gonna get 2 combs and 1 in the back. It's a 360 lace edges. It's not 360 all the way around. So the 360 in the back, if you want, you can put the wig up, but it's so dense back there, guys, that I don't even think, I think it's kind of pointless with that 360. So what y'all want to know? What y'all want to know? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? I feel like it's been a minute. I was trying not to record because I burnt my forehead, y'all. That's exactly what happened. That's why y'all ain't seen me. I'm lying, y'all. Basically, I had a really amazing time with my kids. If y'all been following me, y'all know my kids, my husband went out of town. I was hanging out with the kids. Then my husband came back and I was hanging out with my husband and my kids. You know, long story short, I just didn't feel like coming back. I know it's been a while since I filmed, y'all. I know, but I really just couldn't get my groove. Y'all know how it is for me when I start back filming. Like, it's a struggle. It's a struggle. The house be noisy, but nobody's here right now, so I appreciate that. Shout out to my husband for telling me to get off the bed, for telling me to go ahead and film. I love you, babe. Mwah. Yes, because of you, Miss Khrissy is possible. But we here, we present, happy
Thursday.
How y'all doing? So my last wig review, which was like 2 weeks ago, was Outre Nisha. I reviewed the same color, chocolate swirl, but that one was a beginner friendly wig. That one just had a standard lace part. But this one right here, you can part her any way you like. And I chose to go ahead and give y'all a side because I think I normally go on this side and swoop it that way. I don't know what I normally do, but I was trying to give y'all something a little different with a, what side is this? Right, left part. And so, y'all, I'm excited. Nobody's home. Nobody is home right now. If you only understand the struggle. I did give you guys a left part. I swooped it over this way. You can do it in the middle. I think it'll be really cute like that, and you can also do an updo. But I like this wig. I've stressed it before. I have reviewed a couple Outre 360 human hair blend wigs. Now, I feel like this is totally different than the regular wigs, and I say that because one, the lace is absolutely thinner. This lace is so thin on these 360 wigs, y'all, and it's stretchy. It's stretchy. Y'all see that? It's like a stocking. And this is the color of the lace. So I'm not sure what your complexion is, but I feel like it kind of will blend with all complexions, because if I blend it on this side, which is my complexion, it blends in, and I didn't put any powder on this lace, and it's blending in. And then if I go on this side, I don't think it's too dark, you know, but if your complexion is a little lighter than me, it might be too dark, but I'm not too sure. Y'all comment below if this can blend on your complexion and if you're lighter than me. But I do like that. I do love the knots on this wig. I have stressed it before. I recently reviewed Outre Kalinda, and the difference between that wig and this wig, guys, is I feel like that one was straighter and then curls. This one kind of has the voluptuous curls going all the way around. So this is definitely reminding me of Outre Julie. This is definitely reminding me of Outre. What's her name? Outre Julian. That's her name. Oh man, I was about to say what the her name. I can't remember. They got too many names. So this is definitely giving me those vibes. The only difference is this is a human hair blend. But I've stressed it before in my Kalinda review. The thing that I love, let me say it again. The thing that I love about these blends is that I notice you can shampoo and you can condition these wigs. And I keep stressing that because in my last review, I showed you guys how this wig kind of was tangling by the end of the day, and I shampooed and I conditioned it with my Brandywine shampoo and conditioner, and it bounced
So I had to
back.
come in here and show you guys. This is what it looks like wet. Yeah, don't be scared when it gets wet. It's going to straighten out, and this is the Brandywine shampoo and conditioner. I put the conditioner on it. Yes, don't be scared. It looks like the wig lost its curls, but boom, the next day, look at those curls. Look at those curls. I had to show y'all the proof because I get asked questions a lot about, can you wet these wigs? Can you really do it? Yes, you could do it. This is the proof. Okay, back to the video.
Yeah, it bounces back with synthetic wigs, but I feel like it does it even better with these blends. So this is gonna hold up. I know that for a fact. And if it doesn't, I didn't tell you that. As far as the length goes on this wig, it's super duper long. I'm not sure why they have like these long pieces sometimes on these wigs. It's like the left out child that they just gotta bring to the party. If you want, you could cut it right here because it's a little scraggly for me. But in the back, this is what she's looking like. So it's really, really long. I did go in with a little bit of synthetic wig spray. I use that. I feel like it does help condition up these wigs. I don't know which one I grabbed. I think in the beginning I grabbed my older one, the awesome wig spray. I can't find it. See, that's why I be grabbing whatever I can find. Oh, here it is. I grabbed this one, my awesome synthetic wig spray, and then I reached for this one, the Brandywine detangler wig spray. I think I do like this one, but I think I might like my awesome better. Y'all know I'm a product junkie. I be trying everything. But any synthetic wig spray, I feel like this wig does benefit from. And I did go in with a little bit of serum because I feel like it does need a little bit of serum to glide. So this time I did go in and I did pluck up this hairline a little bit, guys. Only because in Kalinda I didn't pluck up that hairline and I was trying to show y'all what it looked like without plucking it. It does look a little bit more, the shiny is the spray and I feel like it's being lazy. See, the lights be showing the spray and stuff. Anyway, so I did go ahead and pluck up this hairline. I didn't show that on camera, but I do have a standalone video. Check it out right here if you need help plucking up your synthetic wig. And shout out to y'all because that video is doing numbers. I don't do numbers on my videos, but that video is doing numbers, so you guys really do enjoy that if you need help plucking up your wig. So it's right here. I'll link it. Yeah, I think you could get away either way. See, this is all spray. This is all spray. Me being lazy. Oh, I'm being lazy. And I'm using my turban. I'm being lazy, y'all. I did use my bedhead spray because y'all know I love that spray. And I feel like it does secure the wig. It's only going to hold it for about a day, y'all. I take my wigs off at night. If you want a longer hold, go in with the Ebony York spray and go in with some glue on the sides because my bedhead spray, I noticed, doesn't really hold these wigs on the side. Overall, I do like her. I like the layers in this wig. I like the fact that yes, when you comb through it, it seems like the curls drop, but you could easily like fluff her up and she goes right back. And especially after you condition this wig, it will bounce right back. I'm telling y'all, I'm really excited for winter with this wig. I've been looking for this wig. This is the wig I've been dreaming of my whole life. She's so perfect for the holidays. She's more of like that kinky texture. She's definitely really, really thick. She is reminding me of that Kanekalon texture, the Juliannes, the Nishas. She is that texture. She's not silky. She's not silky at all. So all my people that like texture, this wig is for you. Overall, I do enjoy this wig. Enjoy. I enjoy the wig. Overall, I do like this wig. You can get this wig from like $60 to $90, and I think it's a great price. More of that $60 range. I think she's worth it. She's worth it. If you like anything in this video, like my shirt or my nails, I found these new nails off Amazon, these press-on nails. Oh my God, they're super cute. I'm gonna leave a link in my description box of my Amazon storefront, and this shirt is cute too. Ooh, I'm feeling myself. I'll leave a link down below. Y'all give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.